Hey guys, it's Junior from AutoCraze. Got myself a 1971 Mustang with some U.S Mags Vintages wrapped in some Falken Tyres. Now, the story behind the car is that the wheels and tyres have been purchased for Ian Hodges, father of Troy Hodges, an ex-player for the St. George Dragons. Troy, car's all done. What do you recommend?
Absolutely sensational. My dad is in the auto game. He's a panel beater spray painter by trade for 35 years, and he's wanted these wheels for a long time. And just makes the car. I can't believe how good it is. Thanks very much. Really appreciate it.
So we don't only do Ford Rangers, we don't only do Hiluxes, we do old school cars as well. Any make and model, bring them down, they'll end up looking slick like this. Catch you next time.